Alright. 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 Shaking his head, the dogfish. Does he always want to do that to you, Al? Huh? Does he always want to punish you like that? He does?
Wakes me up. Wakes me up. Oh shit! I don't believe that.
Hey, I got tape on. Be careful. I got tape. They're dogfish.
I'm stopping.
Yeah, I'm quitting because it's time to go. It's time to go. Oh, jeepers. They're dogfish, Al. But they're fun.
Yes, they're fun. I wouldn't know.
Vinny, do you have me? Yeah. Both, right? He's a big one. Yeah.
Oh, there's my lady. There's my lady. I'm going to join them and go to Israel.
Where is this guy? All right, can you move back a little bit? Or sit down?
And it's to the right, and it's to the left.
I'm sorry, Al. This is a big one. This is a big guy. You gonna take up golf next week? Oh, come on. Come on, don't get my camera wet. You can't do that.